PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company JUXXE, which is spelled J-U-X-X-E. And this is their new X1 JamSports True Wireless in-ear headphones. And we're going to go ahead and take a look, see what they come with, see what they look like, and then you'll go to the website later on. Once we have a full review on this, we'll let you know what we think about it. But you are introduced to a little pamphlet here that just has some quick details and rundowns in terms of what all the buttons do and what they come with. And then you go right into the headphones, which are nice and small. You have this really kind of nice looking case here. It's small, and which should fit well in the pocket. You have LED little indicators here in the front to show the current charge of the case itself, because of course the case is going to keep them charged throughout the day. You have a USB Type-C connector on the back for charging the headphones and the case with. And then of course you have the headphones, the in-ear headphones, and they look really neat. They're different. It's kind of a slightly different style to them. And you have a nice little microphone here that extends from the headphones, just giving it a different visual appearance there. And you have multiple different holes that kind of give you the idea. You can see right now I just pushed them in there and they automatically went into charging again. So you have LED indicators here, and then the mics are going to be used for either picking up conversation while you're talking and or some slight noise cancellation of the noise around you. As soon as you remove them from the case, they immediately power on, and they start trying to connect to a device. So you should be able to hear them or see them pop up in your Bluetooth settings in the device you're trying to connect them to. And then once you place them back in, they immediately go into charging mode. So you don't have to turn them on and off, per se, before taking them out or placing them back into the case. So that's the case and the headphones. Further in the box, you have some accessories. You have a USB Type-C to USB cable for charging the case with, as well as the buds. You have a total of 3 different sets of sizes, so you have small, medium, and large for the tips. And then of course you have a little warranty guide here and user manual that walks you through all the information a little bit further than what this does. Again, this is just like a quick reference guide, quick start guide, and this gives you a little bit more in terms of how they go into your ear and lock into place and so forth, and what all the various different buttons do, because of course you're going to be able to control the track, control your volume, and all of that using the simple buttons that are available on each one. So that's it. This is the X1 JamSports True Wireless in-ear headphones, or completely true wireless, means no wires whatsoever, from JUXXE. That's J-U-X-X-E, and we're going to have a whole story about this later on. So go check it out at plcnetwork.net once we have the review up, so you can learn more about it. We'll also have that link below in the description so you can get to it quickly. And if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below, and we'd love for you to follow us, as well as the comments section, so you can interact. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.